Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on assignment discussion for the unit Principles of Physics. In this video, we will explore how the principles of physics apply to medicine. You will be guided through key concepts and assessments, helping you understand how physics supports medical knowledge and prepares you for academic success. The assignment is part of the Ascentis Diploma in Medicine, focusing on physics principles. It's a Level 3 unit with 6 credits. The assessment is controlled, lasting 3 hours. Learners will see the assessment a week in advance. No extra materials are allowed during the test. Assessments are under strict conditions. You have 3 hours to complete it. No additional resources are permitted. All questions must be answered fully. Workings and diagrams should be clear. The unit covers 5 main learning outcomes. Understand mechanics and the effect of forces. Learn about the structure of matter. Delve into DC and AC electricity. Explore nuclear and atomic physics. First, state the rule of energy conservation. Apply it to scenarios like roller coasters. Calculate speeds at various points using equations. Determine stopping force through work done. Explain kinetic energy transfer. Resolve initial velocity into components. Calculate time to reach a target. Find the maximum height achieved. Determine distance cleared above obstacles. Assume air resistance is negligible. Calculate moments produced by a person on a plank. Use the principle of moments for rope tension. Explain tension changes as the person moves. Ensure correct units are used. Show all calculations clearly. State Newton's first law of motion. Describe forces on a base jumper. Explain motion from rest to terminal velocity. Discuss forces like weight and air resistance. Understand their origins. Draw and label forces on a box. Calculate the normal reaction force. Determine resistive forces acting on it. Explain motion when a wire breaks. Ensure all calculations are visible. Calculate the wire's cross-sectional area. Complete a stress and strain table. Plot the stress-strain graph. Identify the elastic region. Calculate Young's modulus accurately. Understand why rubber lacks a single Young's modulus. Describe plastic deformation in copper. Explain dislocation effects. Discuss brittle fracture using aircraft windows. Grasp these material properties. Analyze a potential divider with an LDR. Calculate current and potential difference. Explain darkness effects on LDR resistance. Calculate RMS voltage and frequency. Understand RMS value importance. Draw and explain exchange particle interactions. Write nuclear decay equations. Explain conservation laws and neutrinos. Calculate half-life and half-value thickness. Discuss photon and electron collisions. Understand Ascentis grading standards. Grade 1 involves correct calculations and basic explanations. Grade 2 requires good reasoning and accuracy. Grade 3 demands excellent depth and understanding. Attempt all questions accurately for higher grades. Attempt every question thoroughly. List known values before calculations. Show equations used and substitutions. Use correct units and figures. Label diagrams and graphs clearly. Ensure all work is your own. Follow controlled assessment rules strictly. No unauthorized materials are allowed. Plagiarism and malpractice are prohibited. Maintain academic integrity at all times. Use A-level physics textbooks for preparation. Mechanics and electricity revision guides are helpful. Practice questions provided by tutors are essential. Past examination-style questions offer good practice. Prepare thoroughly for success. This video has provided a comprehensive overview of essential concepts and assessment strategies in the field of physics in medicine. By engaging with these materials, you are better prepared to approach your studies with confidence and achieve success in your academic and professional journey within medical physics. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp us at 07484361688. Our team will be delighted to assist you. Thank you for your attention, and see you at the next session.